to show you how to install a hood lock on a JKU Wrangler from 2007 to 2011. I believe this one's up into 2011. All right. Basically, instead of having, sometimes they have the locks over here that you lock it down on both sides, right? What I don't like about that is that I don't like carrying extra keys, especially if you're going to be hiking or whatever, and you like to keep the keys in your pocket, like only one or whatever. They usually have a key. This bolt design, it's called bolt. The bolt. It works with your existing key. You put your key inside, you turn it, and it codes your key. So now you only need one key, your Jeep key. And it goes in the center here. And I'll show you how to do that. It goes in the center here, and through the grill is the little keyhole. And it locks the center, and it keeps everything safe because, like I said, you're on the trails or whatever, you don't want to come back and somebody stole your battery. I don't even know why they don't put these on the locks on the car from the factory. I have no idea why. But anyway, first thing you do is take the grill off. You take the grill off, there's going to be push pins, fasteners, 6 of them across the top, right? And once you take those out, then you're going to have, let me show you. It's easier to show you. Okay? And then you're going to have these fasteners, these clips, these steel clips, there and there, that go, they're going to be on the bottom here. You're just going to pull it out. All right, once you release all the pins, you take it and you pull it out nice and easy. All right, and then once you got that out, you're going to have your markers here. You just unscrew them, and you can leave the bulb and everything hooked up. You don't have to take the wires off. Okay, and once you do that, then the grill comes off. And then these are going to be in there, these little fasteners. You just take a screwdriver or a little claw, and you just pop them out. Now, the holes that you're going to use are the factory holes that are already there. That's very convenient. Okay, so the first thing you're going to do, once you take it out, it's going to come with extra, the clips and the pop rivets. One big note is that these pop rivets are 1/4 inch. And most pop rivet guns, even if you have one, is not going to go to 1/4 inch. It's probably going to go 3/16. So before you even start this, you have to either buy one, or if you have one, or a mechanic friend has one, it's got to be 1/4 inch. These are very thick. All right, I happen to have one, and you can pick this up for 20 bucks, on Amazon. But it's got to be the 1/4 inch. Okay. It's going to come with 4 pop rivets. It's going to come with the fasteners that go on the top of the grill, like I told you about. But you could probably reuse your old ones. Here's my old ones. I'll probably reuse those. All right. And so what you're going to do is you take it out. There's going to be a little sticker here. And the whole thing is you have to code it before you install it. Because let's say if you install it and you code it wrong or the key don't work, the lock won't open. All right. So here's my Jeep key. Then I already coded. What you're going to do is you're going to put it all the way in, right? And you're going to turn it all the way to the right. And you're going to feel it like choppy, and it's going to go all the way to the right and lock. And then you're going to turn it to the left. Okay, and now, if you look in here, you see how it moves it? That's it. And when you install it, you're going to install it in the open position. Open like that. Okay? So that's why you got to do the key first. Then you take the device, put it up here, and you see how it lines up with the holes there and those 2 holes there. I'm going to pop rivet it in and show you what it looks like. There it is. And what you're going to do is you just put your little clips back here. Okay, and what you're going to do is just reverse the procedure, the removal procedure to install it. you got your push pins on the bottom, clips on the bottom, I mean, push pins on the top, fasteners, whatever you want to call them. And this is going to be in the center. I'm going to show you when it's all installed, but let me show you right now. So it's in the open position. Okay, I'm trying to do this by myself. Okay, now it's locked. And basically you cannot get under there. See, it just doesn't want to go. All right. Lock it again, unlock it, it releases it. And there you go. I'm going to show you what it looks like installed completely. This is what it looks like installed. Nice and neat. It looks like it's factory. It's got the little rubber cover to keep moisture and dirt out. And basically I like it better than, like I told you, than the ones that will go on the sides over here. Extra keys and everything. This one latches in the front. And once it's locked, like I say, you take these things down. With the grill on, I mean, the grill on it don't even go up. Yeah, it doesn't even go up to do anything. So it's not a bad one. I mean, it's a little pricey, maybe like around $60, $70. But, you know, you buy it once and it's good security. It's good peace of mind. Okay, guys, Motorcar Nut 2020, please subscribe. Please leave a comment. You got any questions, how to install it, just leave them below and I'll get to you as soon as I can. All right, guys, see you in the next video.